So in this video, we are going to learn about class binding in Angular. If we want to add a class to an element, we have three approaches. One is usual property binding, and then class shorthand syntax. Finally, we have ng class directive. Here, when it comes to class shorthand syntax, we are supposed to give the condition, and the condition should return the boolean values, that is either true or false. So based on the given condition, class will be added to the given element. Then if you see ng class directive syntax, we are supposed to give the expression. The expression should have one or more classes along with the condition. As usual, we have completed the coding part and it is available in Git repo. You can find the link in the video description. Let us go through the code now. Here I have created a component and named it as a class binding. Let us cover the CSS changes first. We have success underscore text class, then danger underscore text. Finally, we have text underscore underline. This h6 is for visibility purpose. Let us not consider this. We are going to play with success underscore text, danger underscore text, and then text underscore underline. The success underscore text will have a green color element. Danger underscore text will have a red color element. Text underscore underline element is decorated with underline. Okay. Then we'll go through the HTML file. Here for this h6 element we are following property binding syntax, where the success text property will have a class called success underscore text. That class will be added to this element in the browser. We will verify it in a couple of minutes. And then for this h6 element, in line number 7, we are using conditional based class name, that is class shorthand syntax. Is danger is a condition where it returns the boolean value, that is either true or false. So based on this condition, this danger underscore text class will be added to this element. Finally, we are using ng class directive in line number 10. This multi-class will have an expression along with the conditions. So based on given conditions here, all these classes will be added to the element. If this condition is true, success underscore text will be added to that h6 element, and text underscore underline, by default I am making it as a true. Okay, and this is a property contains success underscore text class. So in approach 1, this class will be added to that h6 element. In second approach, by default we are making this to true. Okay, so in HTML file, because of this condition, danger underscore text will be added to this element. Let us navigate to browser and verify the changes. So in approach 1, success underscore text class is added to the element. We have declared this class to the property and that is replaced here. In approach 2, danger underscore text is added to the element. This is because of the condition where we have written the boolean value. Let us do some more additional changes and then verify it in browser. Let me change this condition to false and then we will verify it in browser. If you see here, in approach 2, class is removed. That is because of the condition, right? If the condition is true, the class will be added to the element, or else it will be removed. Finally, in approach number 3, we have two classes, that is success underscore text and text underscore underline. These two classes are added to the element based on the condition given in the expression, right? This is it about the class binding. So based on the requirement, we can follow any approach. And if you have any questions, use comment section. I will definitely reply to your queries. Thanks for watching. See you in another video. Bye.